Hi friends, in this video tutorial I am going to tell you how to add domains in your Dreamhost web hosting panel. So let's walk through. First of all, you need to open Dreamhost panel URL. So this is panel.dreamhost.com. Now you have to just give your user ID and password. Now let's give username and password. After that, click on Sign In. After successful login, you will be able to see this screen. Now here, you can see like there are already few domains added. Now I am going to add another domain to this web hosting panel. So for that, I will click on these domains in the left panel. Then here I will click on Manage Domains. Now you can see like I have already 4 domains which I am hosting. Now you can add one more domain to this hosting. So I am going to add sitemail.in. Now I have given this name, and another option I have to select like, do you want to show www.sitemail.in as a URL, or you want to show as a sitemail.in. So I will just remove www and I will select this one. Another option is we should go with a create new user. I will recommend you to go with a new user. Next options, it is just giving PHP mode which you want to use. I will suggest let's keep it default. Another thing is, extra web security, which is already checked because it is highly recommended. Just keep it checked because you will be able to install SSL certificate on all domains. Now, if you have a Cloudflare services, you can just check it, and if you check it, you have to give some, user ID and password. So, if you have, you can select this. Now you can see there is a lot of options, power domain, mirror, redirect and all. So I will just go ahead and add this domain. You can change this setting anytime. So let's click on fully host domain. It will take a couple of seconds and it will just add this domain in your Dreamhost panel. Now the next thing you have to do is, once you have added this sitemail.in, you can see like I have added sitemail.in. Next, we have to change the name server. So for that, we have to just go to the website or the domain registrar and we have to just change our name server settings. Once you have changed the name server, it takes hardly 1 hour to 48 hours, to populate the DNS. Generally, it depends on the internet service providers. So all this for adding the domain name to our Dreamhost panel. So thanks guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and like this video and keep suggesting us for the new topic ideas. If you want us to create videos on certain topics, just please give us a comment. We will prepare videos and post for you. Thank you so much.